Welcome back to my channel. This is part 6 of making every single chess piece from a standard chess set. I've already made an aluminium and a brass pawn. I've made a bronze bishop. I've made an aluminium rook and an aluminium queen. Now I'm on to the aluminium bishop. This process was essentially identical to the bronze bishop, but it was only slightly different because I'm making every single piece unique. Even all the pawns are going to look slightly different to each other, but only slightly. They'll still be characteristically pawns, bishops and queens, etc. They're just going to look slightly different. For this one, I didn't make too much of a difference. I just added an extra lip to the bottom of the bishop and I made it slightly chunkier. So now I'm just rounding off the top of it. I've finished giving it the general shape. Now I'm cutting out the mitre in the side of the bishop. So after I've cut that out, I'm going to switch over to my other lathe and I will start sanding and filing everything down. I'm going to start with roughly 120 grit sandpaper and then work my way all the way up to 10,000 grit sandpaper. And then it will give a nice polished finish. But then I will be moving around to a polishing disc after I've reached the 10,000 grit sandpaper, and you will be able to see the amazing mirror finish that I've been able to get on every single one of my pieces. And of course I'm taking it out of the lathe now, and it is looking absolutely stunning right now. Look at that. Characteristically a bishop, looking slightly different from mine, completely unique. Now I'm just going to quickly put it on the polishing wheel and make that mirror finish pop. And look at that. That just looks absolutely stunning.